So we got 3 clues today. Those 3 clues, once again, those 3 clues were used to put together our plan of attack today. Okay, the bull channel, again, very easy. The bull channel told me to buy the lows of that bull channel, which is exactly where we were. The inside day, outside day transition, right? The previous high of day and the previous low of day. Okay, this tells me that if I can get below that previous high of day, I want to be selling, right, down into that trigger zone. Because my third clue, right, first clue, bull channel, second clue, inside day, outside day, right, sell the break below the previous high of day, and the third clue, you've got your minor trigger zone here, you've got your major trigger zone below you, and now we know if we break below the previous high of day, if we break below the bull channel, we'll be below that trigger zone. And again, what was it again? How do we trade a break through that zone? We get short. So what happened today was, using those 3 clues, we knew at first we were at the lows of this bull channel and I wanted to buy. Well, then we got this double bottom top here. It went double bottom with a lower high, and that lower high made it easy for us now. Once we broke through, we sold short, got through the minor trigger zone, sold short, all the way down to the major trigger zone, and then I actually bought here for a scalp and brought it back up. So a fantastic day, 4 for 4 on the fast tracks today, guys. And again, what a difference a day makes. Boy, we couldn't have bought a winning trade yesterday morning. And of course, here this morning, everything we touched turned to winners. At 8:30, we knew it was going to be a little bit sloppy. Okay, 8:30 GDP comes out, it's slopping around. By 9 o'clock, we've got 1, 2, 3 swing highs. I'm going to break through that swing high for a 2-step pattern long. Now, why is this pattern so important? Because remember, we're at the lows of that bull channel. And if you recall, what was our plan again? Our plan was not to sell those lows, right, but to buy those lows. So we first take our first trade today. Nice big winner off it, 12 ticks per contract. If you took 1 contract, you made 120 bucks. 2 contracts, 240. 10 contracts, over $1,000. So it didn't really matter how many contracts you were trading. Everyone made money on that trade at 12 ticks per contract. And don't forget, guys, that's $120 per contract. All right, 10 bucks per tick. We then go into a breaker pattern long. I took that breaker pattern for our advanced method trading. We go up to the highs here now. We test the high of day. And this is where we get our next clue. We come stumbling down here now at 10 o'clock. We had news 10 o'clock. 1 low, 2 low. Double bottom tells you what? Sell at resistance. We had a convenient sell zone right here. I took this trade short as a scalp. But then, of course, the fast track trades here. These are all fast tracks, by the way. We saw lower highs. We then see, this is a perfect 2-step. A perfect 2-step pattern short. But what can't I do? What can't I do? I can't sell into the lows of that channel, right? I can't sell the channel lows. I wish I could, because obviously here now, double top, once again, I'm sorry, double bottom, excuse me. Double bottom says, expect price to retest that low, and most likely keep going. So bottom 1, bottom 2, double bottom, goes up into the zone. I, of course, sold this as a scalp. You can see my trades here on my track record below the video. These are fast track trades today, 4 for 4. And you can see again, I have no choice but to skip this one. So we knew the pattern was there. We knew we wanted to sell. We knew the double bottom said, you got to try to sell this thing. But again, fast tracks are very important because we try to follow that plan at all costs.